Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all ready to kickstart your day with some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. Welcome back to Savor Smart. I'm thrilled to have you join me in my kitchen today. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so let's make it count. We have some exciting recipes lined up for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 healthy and easy breakfast ideas that are delicious, quick to prepare, and packed with nutrients. From smoothies to salads, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. First on the list is overnight oats, a simple and nutritious breakfast option that you can prepare the night before. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey in a jar. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or vanilla extract for extra flavor. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, allowing the oats to absorb the liquid and soften. In the morning, top it with fresh fruits and nuts for added texture and taste. It's creamy, filling, and perfect for busy mornings. This make-ahead meal ensures you start your day with a healthy and delicious breakfast. Next up, avocado toast with eggs. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado on top, and add a poached or boiled egg. Sprinkle with some salt, pepper, and chili flakes. This combo is rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. For those on the go, try a green smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, frozen mango, Greek yogurt, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink. You'll get a burst of energy to power through your morning. Number 4 is Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. It's a great way to get your protein, calcium, and antioxidants all in one delicious bowl. And finally, homemade banana oat muffins. These are easy to bake ahead and make a perfect grab-and-go breakfast. Use ripe bananas, oats, a little cinnamon, and bake them into healthy, guilt-free muffins. See how easy it is to start your day with a healthy, energizing breakfast. From fresh fruits and whole grains to protein-packed smoothies, the options are endless and delicious. Whether you have time to sit down and savor your meal or need something quick to grab on your way out, these ideas have you covered. A nutritious start can set the tone for a productive day. Which one are you trying first? Maybe the vibrant smoothie bowl or those tasty breakfast bars? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your breakfast creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delicious tips and recipes on Savor Smart. See you next time, and happy cooking.